How can I use the law of attraction to get the lover that I want?
Ooh, that's a good one. To get the lover that I want. Well, I like that you use the word get, because it sort of implies that the lover's already there. You know, the truth is, the lover that you're wanting, you have to assume that they're there and they're around you. They're swirling around you. They're circling you right now. And, your lover's not being born right now. That'd be pretty weird. I'm going to wait 18 years for my lover, 21, depending on where you live. But the truth is, getting the lover that you're wanting is more about, it's a loaded question. First, I have to tell you have to love yourself. The relationship, the lover that you're really wanting is yourself. And you're using this other person as an excuse to love yourself. And people sort of get it in their heads that this is the lover, I'm going to find that lover, and then that lover is going to love me. And so they're more obsessed about getting the right lover to love them, as opposed to being the right lover that loves themselves. So there's a lot of ways that I can answer that question. The first is, if you love yourself enough, it won't matter who that other lover is, because you're going to derive satisfaction yourself. And the people, I tell people this in our meetups, and I can tell that a lot of people don't like that idea. They don't like the idea that they're going to love themselves, that they're in charge of their own love, that they are the ones responsible for doing that. They want to believe that this other person is loving them and that they're getting it from them. And simultaneously, they allow themselves to believe that they don't have love when this lover isn't there. And so often this question is posed in the sense of, how do I complete myself? Right? How do I get rid of this hole that I'm feeling? How do I satisfy this longing that I have? And what I would really like to give you is true satisfaction. I want you to drink from a source of water where you will never be thirsty again. I want you to love yourself. Now, let's assume that you do love yourself. Okay? Let's skip over all that wishy-washy stuff, being complete and fulfilled on your own. And let's get to the point of, how do I get the lover of my dreams? How do I get the lover that I want? And the way to do that is by being open to possibilities. By being open to possibilities. Not in deed, not in the actions that you do, but in the spirit that you hold. You could go on 10 dates, at a speed dating event, and you have 10 opportunities for you to feel disappointed. Or you could sit at home by yourself and have one opportunity to feel disappointed. Or you can go to the speed dating event with the right attitude and have 10 opportunities of feeling joyful, of feeling a little bit of love. Here's a person who is sitting down in front of you, who is interested in what you have to say, who wants to find love, who is on the same journey that you're on. And similarly, you could be sitting at home and feeling optimistic, feeling love for yourself, feeling adopting the right attitude. And even in the midst of being alone in your home, you could experience something, be open to an opportunity that might attract a lover. It could be a neighbor, it could be the pizza delivery boy, it could be looking out your window, it could be a message on your Facebook, it could be an email that you get, it could be anything like that. So the first step is to be open to opportunities, because if you're open to opportunities instead of closing doors even before you approach them, then you increase your likelihood to perceive the lover in your experience, to perceive a lover, to realize that your lover is there. And then the sort of cookie cutter answer, the wishy-washy answer, is you want to sit down and you want to focus on the qualities of the person that you're wanting. You want to focus on how you might want to feel when you have that person. And then when you go around your day, when you go about your day, you want to find reasons to feel love, right? People think the way to get your lover is by thinking about your lover, thinking about your lover, thinking about your lover. But you can actually encounter a lover by doing something else. I love skydiving, and you go skydiving and you meet people there. I love baking, and so you go to a cooking class and you meet people there. So following your interests, following your hobbies, following what you love will lead you to other things that match your love. The easiest way to find your lover, and the most fun way to find your lover, is to find the things that you love, because the truth is, you're likely to meet that lover when you're doing those things.